Hey guys, I'm Carla Salinas. Right now we're at Clark Chevrolet in McAllen, and we're going to be learning about how they're a one-stop shop for everything you need for your vehicle. The Clark Chevrolet dealership, established in 1933, serves customers from McAllen, Mission, Edinburg, and the rest of the RGV. And we spoke with sales consultant Robert Velasco, who tells us they have a large selection of GM certified parts readily available for customers right here in South Texas.
So it's going to be everything that you need for a GM vehicle to be fixed at a body shop. We'll fix it here with genuine GM parts as well. Not only that, our service department is split into two different programs. We do have a maintenance building, and we do have a service building. So if you ever need a maintenance, you're going for an oil change, you're here for tires, you're here for a battery, we have a quick stop right across the street. Not only that, if you need something in major warranty that is going to be a little bit more major repair, we do have the #1 service department right here at Clark Chevrolet.
Robert tells us when you get your genuine GM parts at Clark Chevrolet, you're making sure you're getting the best of the best.
So you do have that peace of mind. It's like if something does happen with the vehicle, your vehicle does have warranties for any parts and labor for the vehicle.
As the biggest retailer for GM certified parts in Texas, Clark Chevrolet is bound to have what you're looking for.
We even have people that still have some old muscle cars or sports vehicles, or even classic cars they have here that they're a little bit harder to find parts. They're a little bit old and a little bit aged already. We still have the availability to look those parts for you and get them here genuine from General Motors here at Clark Chevrolet.
And as a one-stop shop, you can even get free insurance quotes when you stop by Clark Chevrolet.
We do have a competitive insurance here with Allstate that every time you buy a vehicle here, we'll give you a free quote for that vehicle that you just purchased. See if we can compete against the other insurance agents out there.
So choose Clark Chevrolet to help you with all of your vehicle needs.
If you're ever looking for anything that is going to be GM parts, service, maintenance, or even sales here, even insurance, like I just said, come on by Clark Chevrolet. We'll give you the best deals possible we have here. And not only that, we're really competitive in our rates in insurance and also in our sales.
For more information, call 956-320-2729 or visit clarkchevrolet.com.